Throughout our land, I see men plowing, fishing, toiling, disputing, suing in the courts, lending at usury, cheating and being cheated, running after gold or pleasure. Each surrounded by a cloud of hopes, fears, illusions, follies, and hates, believing that gods and fate spin the web of life for each human atom, and each in turn waiting to be drawn away by the messenger of death. Men do not realize their own divinity or true nature, yet it lives within them, ever acting on each experience of their life. Were they to recognize this, they would find that their true self hovers ever about them, like a magnificent angel holding in her outstretched hands a priceless golden crown. Were they to reach out and take that golden crown, it would make each man who does so a prince and each woman a princess.